Hi there, Carrie with EPB here, and today we're talking windows. Do they really make a difference in your home's efficiency? And what should you look for if you're installing new ones? Stick around and let's see what we can learn. As it turns out, for homeowners, windows are a pretty big deal because the average home can lose up to 30% of its conditioned air through its windows. So if you're considering upgrading your windows to improve the energy efficiency at your house, here are some things to think about. First, the panes. Double pane glass is the gold standard when it comes to energy efficiency, since they offer twice the protection of single pane windows. Here's an easy way to tell if your existing windows are double pane or not. Hold up a finger close to your windows. If you can see two reflections, you've got double pane glass. If not, it's single pane, and you might want to think about an upgrade. And second, the frames. A lot of older homes have metal or aluminum window frames, which can become cold very fast. And because heat always likes to transfer to cold, windows with metal or aluminum frames can lead to heat loss and condensation to build up, which could lead to mildew in the seals. If your home has metal window frames, it's probably time to upgrade to something new. Now, if you decide to upgrade your windows, here are a couple of things to consider. The most important number when it comes to new windows is the U factor. U factor measures how well glass insulates, and the lower the number, the better. You should look for a number around 0.28 or less, and Energy Star rated windows will have the lowest U factor rating. Another rating you're going to want to check out on the label is the solar heat gain coefficient, or SHGC. This number will tell you how well a window blocks the heat from the sun. A higher SHGC rating means it's more effective at collecting solar heat, which means it gives you some help warming your home in the winter. On the other hand, windows with a lower SHGC rating are more effective at blocking the blazing heat of a summer afternoon, which is a great way to save on cooling costs here in the South. Here at EPB, we recommend a higher SHGC value of 0.30. Another feature that'll help you save on your energy costs, low E-glass. Low E-glass comes with a microscopic transparent coating that helps reflect heat from the sun and keeps it from getting into your home. So let's recap. If you're looking to upgrade your home's windows, look for double pane, low E-glass, a higher SHGC, and a low U factor. Keep these in mind and you'll be well on your way to keeping the outside air out and the inside air in. And now we know. As always at EPB, we are here to help. Just give the EPB Energy Pros a call or submit a request at epb.com/energypros. You can schedule a free home energy checkup and we'll take a look at your windows to help you decide if it's time to consider an upgrade. You can also check out a list of EPB approved local window contractors on our website at epb.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.